We're here in the semifinals of the New York New Works Theater Festival, where the Indigo Twins are about to perform Wicked Clones or How to Deal with the Evil. The New York New Works Theater Festival is now in its third successful year, showcasing almost 40 plays from August to October. From musicals to plays to other varying performance art, the festival has attracted an ever-growing crowd of theater enthusiasts and industry professionals looking for the next great show. The festival began as a way to help alleviate what General Director Gene Fish Jr. described as an unfair and flooded theater festival system in New York.
We wanted to throw a theater festival at some writer friends who are being taken advantage of, and we pay for most of the festival. It's minimal cost to the participants. We bring in a whole bunch of industry folks, Broadway producers, Emmy Award winners, Tony Award winners to come and work with the playwrights and make great shows.
Hoping to grab the attention of the industry insiders and professionals are the Indigo Twins with their musical adaptation of their novel, The Wicked Clone, or How to Deal with the Evil.
You got to meet these ladies. They're awesome. They are such a great energy. They're so happy and positive, and they're good. And that's the exciting thing about it, and that's what this festival does. It finds talent that normally wouldn't have the opportunity to get their shows on their feet. We can put them up here, bring in a bunch of industry folks to see them, and give them their shot.
Twins, Michaela and Gabriela Mordoccia, are the Indigo Twins who play the titular characters in the play based on the book written by Michaela.
We are very excited and proud to have an amazing show tonight.
This project has been 7 years in the making, with Michaela initially writing the novel as a passion project, born out of her desire to express her anxiety with her creativity and her ambitions.
It's a healing fairy tale about life without ending and youth without aging. It's about the possibility of each of us of being, reaching our true immortal selves and overcoming this wicked clone, who always tries to hinder us in reaching our goals and dreams in life.
Their performance style and positive attitude have delighted audiences so far, and they hope their story resonates with anyone it can.
So I think that the musical is dedicated to all people who want to kind of surpass themselves and want to challenge themselves and create something that it's their own signature and unique thing.
The New York New Works Theater Festival will conclude with finals on October 5th. For more information, visit www.nynwtheaterfestival.com. I'm Christina Pagan, reporting for BronxNet.